Today is Giving Tuesday, and I want to share with you my relationship with giving. My passion in life, I've always said this to every single person I've come in contact with. My passion in life is to give away money. Like, I want to be able to have so much money that I could just give it away. So I want to fund your business. I want to fund your education. I want to do all these great things. So as I was talking to people about my aspirations of giving money, I realized in these conversations that giving is not all about monetary contribution. Like, you can give in so many ways. You can give your time, you can give resources, you could provide support to others, you can listen to people speak, you can share your story so that others can benefit from you sharing. And on top of that, it's so many ways to give, right? I decided, I'm like, hey, maybe I just don't have to give money. Maybe like giving money could be like one aspect of giving. Maybe sharing my experiences in life could be another aspect of giving. And I'm cool with that, right? I'm cool with that. This year, I have a different relationship with giving. It's Giving Tuesday, but I have a different relationship this year. Normally, I would be like, let's donate money to all these charities. Let's do this. Let's do that. Today, I feel inspired to make a difference in the world. So I have this vision. I have a vision for a world where every child feels that they matter, right? So look at that, right? A world where all children feel that they matter, where all people feel that they matter. And the children that we are responsible for today are our future. They are our next leaders. They are our next tech gurus. They are our next legislators. They are our next, presidents, CEOs, whatever, doctors, librarians. This is the future. Let's develop the future, right? Create a world where every child matters. And how could I do that? Well, I was looking into a system that, it's touched my heart, and it's the foster care system. We've all heard about the foster care system and how challenging it is for children to, be a part of that system. But one thing I learned about that system is, it is there to support our children. And when children are, moving to their new homes, they have to carry their items in trash bags, generally 2 trash bags. They give them 2 trash bags to fill all their valuable items in and carry those around from home to home, or whatever they're doing in life. They just carry their belongings in a trash bag. Needless to, I don't even have to get into the details of that. We all know that that's not the best way to carry things that you value, right? So I came across an organization called Together We Rise, and they are dedicated to evolving the foster care system and creating experiences for children to feel special, to feel that they matter, to feel their worthiness, and feel that they are enough. And one of the tools they provide you with is the ability to donate duffel bags to kids in foster care. And those duffel bags can be used for them to carry all of their valuable goods and their valuable items. So I'm like, wow, this is amazing. And also, when you donate the duffel bags, they then allow you to create a team building workshop experience with people in your life that can decorate these duffel bags, stuff these duffel bags, and help provide these duffel bags to certain foster care organizations in your local area. So I hopped right on it. Like, for me to level up my giving, man, I'm like, okay, damn, this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. We are going to donate at least 50 bags to children in foster care systems to feel that they matter, to help them feel and know that they matter, and that things that they're carrying throughout life, they matter. Everything is valuable in their lives. I call these dream cases. So you know how adults, we carry our briefcases? These are going to be called dream cases. So every child can stuff their bag with every hope, every piece of joy, everything that's in their power. They put it in their bag and they carry it with them through life. They carry these gifts through life, and they share these gifts with others, and they inspire others, and they make changes. But it starts with this small duffel bag to get their most valuable prized possessions outside of trash bags and into a bag that was created with love, created with care, created with the purpose to create a possibility for a new child. And so I'm stepping up today on Giving Tuesday to host a fundraiser to purchase the equipment to provide the bags. The duffel bags come with teddy bears, notes, special trinkets. You can visit on the website to see everything that comes in the bag. But we need to purchase the goods. And I'm going to gather a team in DC locally, right? We're going to be in DC. We're going to be at the Cleveland Park Library on December 21st. And we're going to put together all of the bags that we end up purchasing through the fundraiser. We're going to decorate them. I need all the arts and crafts people to come out. We're going to stuff them. I need all the logistics people to come out. We're going to line these bags up, and we're going to prepare to take these bags to a foster care facility and an agency and drop these bags off so they can be dispersed to children in that system, so they can get their duffel bags and feel that they matter. So I'm gonna need some support. I can't do this alone, right? I can't do this by myself. I need you to help. I need you to help. So you're gonna visit the link, and if you can support financially, let's do it. I need you. Whatever, $5, $10, $15, $150. We want to donate at least 50 bags, so we're gonna need at least $1,500. Or more. Like, let's not stop there, right? Let's just start there. Let's not stop there. Let's start there. And then also, if you don't have the financial ability to donate to the fundraiser, how about you give some time and help us out? Like I said, we need arts and crafts specialists. We need people that logistics. We need the assembly line mentality. Then I don't got it all, but I know how to assemble some great people to do big things. Let's get at least 50 volunteers. One person per bag. That's easy, right? But I need your support. I need you to tune in. I need you to tune in. I need you to take a look at the link that I provide for the fundraiser, and also the link for the RSVP and to sign up to volunteer to help put these bags together, get these bags prepared for our children. So I know this was a long video, but I'm super, super stoked about my finding and my calling to do work in a child's life. So thank you for your support. If you have any questions, message me, send me an email, text me. You have my number. However I contacted you, find a way to recontact me. We will get it done. But we have an urgent goal to do this by December 11th. I need to purchase all of the bags by December 11th to get them ready for our event on December 21st and have these in the child's hands by Christmas. So let's do it right now. If you can get $5, $10, whatever you can do it. If you give your time, if you're in DC, you can give your time. December 21st from 12:30 to 3:30. We're going to assemble all these bags at the Cleveland Park Library. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for your contributions and what you can do in the future. And I hope, if anything, this inspires you to give in your own way, whatever works best for you. But it is Giving Tuesday, and I'm in the spirit. I'm hype. If you don't feel my joy, you gonna feel it tomorrow, because I still got the joy. But not all jokes aside, thank you so much for your support. We could do big things. It starts with us. Let's go. Let's do this for our kids.